if resonate to you, no? This is your reading for today. It's a message for today, just this week. Uh, so, as the King of Cups, no? May mga blessing na dumarating sa'yo, no? Hawak mo lang, maganda yung blessing na dumarating sa'yo. This January 29, this is your blessing, no? It's the King of Cups. Then the Wheel of Fortune, no? Dinunog na ng langit, no? Ng mga angels, no? Mga angels mo. Ito yung Phoenix Rising Sun, the Phoenix na nakikita ko sa Wheel of Fortune. Then the Taurus and Leo. Taurus and Leo, ang tumutulong sa iyo, no? Wheel of Fortune, no? Nakikita na, no? Nakikita na, no? Maganda ang reading mo ngayon, no? Sa Phoenix Rising, no? Kasi ako nagsasagawa ng reading, no? Niread ko muna, no? Niread ko muna yung reading ko, no? Sa Justice, no? Nagkaroon ng justice, lahat ng mga sinabi mo is justified na, no? No? Tinimbang na, no? Tinimbang na. Mundo mas maganda na lumabas sa'yo. Justice card, no? So I have time cards to reshuffle. So this is the 4 card for your reading for today, your message for today, your message and learn today reading. This is the 4 card sa family, no? Celebration, no? Celebration of the family, 10 of Cups, no? May darating na blessing sa'yo, no? Kung hindi, bibisitahin ka na sa mga pamilya mo, no? It's a blessing for today, sa 10 of Cups. Resonate and claim it. Claim it. Phoenix Rising. Told you, Phoenix Rising, this is for you. The 5, this is the 5 card. The 5 card. It's the Knight of Swords, no? Dumarating na, no? Nakakabayo na. It's clarity, no? It's all abundance, no? Blessing, no? Dumating na. Nakakabayo siya. It's running, no? It's your year is being rising, no? To get a new beginning, no? It's a rising, no? Tumatakbo na, no? Tumatakbo na siya, no? Gumaganda ng kapalaran mo. Phoenix Rising, gumaganda ng kapalaran mo. So we have the 5 cards, no? This is the six card of my deck. It's the Four of Sword, no? Pray, no? Pray lagi, no? Kita ko dito, nakikita ko, mga always ka nagdadasal, no? Nagpipray, no? Lagi. Bago matulog, no? Magpray lagi, no? Wag mong bigyan mo ng pahinga sarili mo, wag kang masyadong stress, no? Wag ma-stressin, no? Pahingahin mo sarili mo, magpray ka sa Four of Sword, no? Baka lalo kang masaktan, no? Virgo Rising, pahinga ang sarili, no? Pahinga ang sarili, no? Phoenix Rising, pahinga mo sarili mo. May 7 card. So, I reshuffle. So, this one. It's a judgment, no? Dinunog na ng langit, no? Yung mga nangyari sa'yo, no? It's a judgment card, no? Nagtrompeta ng langit, no? Yung mga anghel mo, it's a judgment card, no? Lumabas na siya, no? Ay, dinudunog na, no? Yung lahat ng kahirapan mo, Phoenix Rising, no? I can see. It's a judgment card. So, take your 2 more cards for the lucky 9. 2 more cards. This message for you, manifest. If this is for you, resonate, claim it. Message me in the battle. Message me in the battle. So, the stars. I can see the stars, no? Nakakapag-travel ka, no? You can travel, no? Kasi US, no? Or New York, no? Something is travel, no? Clean your soul, no? Clean mo muna yung soul mo. Linisin mo, give a deep breath, no? Sa soul. See? I can see. Stars, no? It's the stars, no? So, this is your last card. Last card, the Phoenix Rising. This is your last card. It's your last card. The Queen of Cups, no? Yung mga salita mo, no? Wag mo masyadong magiging matabil, no? Kasi pag nagsabi ka, ginagawa mo kaagad, no? Phoenix Rising, no? Kalmado lang, no? No? Sa Queen of Cups, no? Meron din isang salita na maganda, no? Ano mo na? Ayan. Kasi it's always my first deck, my first card is the King of Cups, and then my last card is a Nine of Cups. It's joined together, no? Mag-uusap kayo nito. It's not other day or next day or next week or next month, no? Pero this year, no? This year, no? Mag-uusap kayo nito, no? The King and the Queen of Cups, no? So, malapit na rin ang Valentine's, no? So, salamat sa nakinig. Thank you very much. Claim it for you.